Have you ever wondered how microwave communication was discovered? It all started in the 1940s with a bizarre twist. Engineers working on radar noticed strange signal disturbances. They were baffled. What could be causing this? After some investigation, they found the culprit: pigeon poop. Yes, you heard that right. The poop wasn't just a nuisance, it actually conducted microwaves. This accidental discovery changed everything. From pigeon poop to the foundation of modern communication, this story is anything but ordinary. Like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.